Hey, can everyone hear me? This is Metroid on the mic. How are we all doing? Yeah, like, I saw the suicide side B attempt. I saw it fail, and I, like, shouted from the crowd. And then I realized no one was commentating, so no one can, like, narrate that. Yeah, what's up, Patrick?
1, go!
Alright, so... Yeah, for those who don't know, like, Illinois PM, our PR is really fucked because it's, like, a big rock, paper, scissors battle. So, like, Atomsk is, like, our number 8, I think? And, like, he's our number 8, but he has winning records over Chris, who's our number 4, and Frost, who's our number 5. It's so fucked. Like, it's so... Oh, my God. Oh, shit! Oh, hey, Moto. Hey, Mark. Oh, shit. Yeah, Sean, bring your controller. Let's do it, man. Yeah, although, like, admittedly, next week I'm gonna want to play, like, a lot of Elden Ring. So I don't know if next week's gonna work out. I swear, I'm gonna run as deep of a train as I can through Elden Ring next week. Alright, so... Oh, good slide off by Chris, but Adam is just all over him. And then Chris starts his own combo. Yeah, I think, like... Yeah, watching Chalupi's gameplay and Chris's gameplay, like, yeah, I do really think that, like, Chris needs to, like, optimize his tech chases more. Like, that's how he likes to play, and I respect it. But, man, there's a reason why Chalupi gets the results. Oh, this isn't redial? Oh, no, it's not, yeah. Yeah, Sean, just curious, why aren't you here tonight? Oh, wait. Oh, shit. That's actually sick. Like, the additional DDD technology. Oh, shit. Do we got a co-commentator?
We sure do. What up, chat? It's your boy Nasty Nave back at another Tripoint podcast.
Oh, that was so good.
We love good back. Ooh, little turn nudge cancel. Come on now. That shit. Sick. Dude, I've been having such a hard time talking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my God.
Yo, okay, Adam. Woo! The more I play him, it's like, and the more he plays, right? He just, like, his punish game is getting really good, and he's really good at backing off when he needs to.
Yes, like I think something that, like, defines Atomsk and Chalupi's play is that they're both really fucking disciplined, right? Like, they approach matchups with a game plan, and they will stick to that game plan.
Right. Like, and it's so hard to break them out of that.
I know.
And, like,
whoo, that up air.
The other side of it, too, is, like, so against Chalupi specifically, I played him in Wisconsin. The Wisconsin tournament we went to, whatever that was.
Yeah, Super XL?
Oh, Super XL, yeah. I took a game off of him. But he, like, midway through the set, he switched his game plan to play more like Chris, and I wasn't ready to handle it. I, like, wasn't ready to make the switch.
Oh, yeah.
And he beat me up pretty bad because of it.
Oh, gotcha.
It's just, like, interesting. Like, I'm not ready for that, like, there's just a level of, oh my god, nice reverse up air.
Oh, no. Also, Sean, yeah, that's pretty fucked up. I'm sorry, man.
Yeah. Dang. Sean, I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, that sucks.
3, 2,
Teska, I'm old as dirt, boy. I'm day 1, year 1, boy. No, I'm 26. Write off insurance.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, it's so funny. Like, Chris, Chalupi, Atomsk, and I are like and Wilder are like the oldest ones in the whole NPM.
Oh yeah.
We're all above 30.
Well, and like, the crazy thing is like, I'm getting there. Like, you're like an old head to the ledge grab.
What a reversal.
Like, damn, I'm 26, bro. I started like, I don't know. It's a whole thing.
Oh my god, that really.
Actually, just like, when I think of old heads, and then like I'm.
It's like, haha, welcome to the club.
Yeah, exactly. I'm a pillar of Chicago PM.
Yeah. It's so crazy. Oh,
Yeah, nice back.
all right. How's Atomsk gonna punish? Double up, triple up air. Holy shit! Chris was not expecting the third. Oh, good knee.
Ooh.
Oh! Okay, it worked out for him that time.
Oh, nice patience. That wave line back is pretty good.
Yeah. Oh god,
Dude.
yeah.
Sean, shut the hell up with your crusty, dusty ass, boy. Yo, I'm older than me. Yo, 32. I keep saying I'm 36. Head ass, boy.
Yeah, Tuck, you're a baby.
Yeah.
You're still in college. Come on, you're
Yeah,
a baby.
Tuck, dude. You're playing with geriatrics, buddy.
Oh, that's not. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, that's good. Yeah, because like he's been teching in so many times and
Oh,
getting
really?
murdered for it. Yeah. Oh,
Man,
good
great
slide
slide
off.
off.
Oh!
Great
What?
confirm. That was
Oh
so
my
sick.
goodness.
Adam.
Yeah, I don't know about this counter pick. Like these two play so often that I like kind of just like leave it up to them to like know what to do.
I have a feeling this is Chris's counter pick against Spaceys generally. I feel like I've seen him on the stage a lot.
Right.
Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm making
Oh,
that
he read the Tekken now. Alright, I feel like Atomsk is a guy who mixes up his tech rolls. Next time he techs, I'm guessing tech roll away. Actually, it's like so long now, he's probably gonna default back to tech roll in. Tech roll in. Oh, I called it!
All right, Brian. With your brain.
Oh! Yeah, like Wolf like bent so far down. Oh,
the
my
game
god,
is
that's
bad,
heartbreaking.
bro. That hurt. Okay, well, I gotta go play on stream.
Yo, good luck, man.
to me. See you, Brian. Good commentating.
See ya. It was fun. Oh my god, yeah, that side B was... God, both side Bs were just like Falcon and